This is Liu from Postulate Group 6. It is my great honor to make this configuration management plan review presentation. In this presentation, I will illustrate three parts. The first one is the organization and completeness. The second one is configuration management. The last one is the change management. Okay, let's focus on the first part, the organization and the completeness. It is obvious that we have an appropriate level of detail. Then, the readership of the project plan is stakeholders of the project and the project teams. Then, we have a good explanation of terms, acronyms, and the abbreviations. I think it is pretty good. Let's focus on the next part, the configuration management. For starters, all the roles are defined. However, the functional relationship among these roles are not yet defined. The second point is the related responsibilities has assigned to the relevant people. The third point, our plan had identified all phases of the project. The whole project is divided into 5 phases. Each phase has specific intended activities. The fourth point is the configuration items. The configuration items, we call it CIS, are not clearly defined. Then the configuration items are saved in corresponding repositories on the GitHub. The sixth point is for the security and authority. The security, only the project team members have the authority to read and modify the files. It is totally different to the stakeholders because the stakeholders only have the authority to read the files. The seventh point, we have 3 managers: the project manager, the document manager, and the code manager. They have different responsibilities, but they have the responsibility for the backup, the documents, and the codes from the GitHub. The eighth point is the CM library. The CM library, we have the 3 different divisions, which includes the development library and the control library and the product library. Next one is the interfaces with the external hardware. The interfaces with the external hardware are defined, which mainly contain the interfaces which connect with the sensors. The 10th point is the tools for CM. The tools for CM are not defined because we are not sure which tools are suitable for the incremental model. And then are the release of CM items. The release of the CM items is managed with the version control. And the last point is mechanism of maintaining status of CIS throughout the project's life cycle did not yet explained. The last point is change management. The change management, the classification of change is not yet determined. In the final SPMP, we will add the change classification and assign in terms of severity of their impact. The GitHub is used to control change process from change initiation through approval or disapproval till end. We define the mechanism to log requests related to the project problems, but the mechanism was not clearly described in the SPMP. Okay, we designed the software test and test review to help us to keep delivered software as a high quality. However, we ignore the quality of the project document. I guess we will add the measurement for the project documents. Okay, finish. I'm very happy to make this presentation. And